Chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. Chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. It is a one type of advanced plant taxonomy based on the presence of chemicals. The chemical constituents of plants differ from species to species. Means the chemical compounds of plants differ from species to species, and the chemical compounds are restricted to certain taxa. They are present in only certain taxa. Certain chemicals are present in the certain taxa only. They are the valuable characters for the plant classification. So based on that chemicals, we classified the plants into groups, into species, into genus, into families. So they are the valuable characters for the plant classification. The classification of plants on the basis of chemical contents is called chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. So the classification of plants on the basis of the chemical contents is called chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. The following chemicals are present in plants for the plant classification. Following chemicals are present in plants for the plant classification. They are non-protein amino acids, phenolics, betalains, alkaloids, terpenoids and steroids, crystals, immunological reactions. These are the chemicals present in the plant pots. Now first we discussed about the non-protein amino acids. Non-protein amino acids. There are 300 non-protein amino acids are present in plants. Some non-proteins are restricted to certain groups alone. They are used to classify and distinguish the taxa from others. Example, lathyrine in genus of Lathyrus, azitidine 2-carboxylic acid in genus of Liliaceae, Amaryllidaceae and Agaveaceae. Non-protein amino acids present in Fabaceae family. So these are the non-protein amino acids. And second one, phenolics. Derivatives of phenolic compounds. The plants classified on the basis of specific phenolic compounds. Example, leucoanthocyanin abundant in woody plants. Means the woody plants containing leucoanthocyanin, and flavonols and methoxycinnamic acid present in herbaceous plants. These are the flavonoids present in different plants. Leucoanthocyanin present in abundant woody plants, and flavonols and methoxycinnamic acid present in herbaceous plants. Now third one is betalains. Betalains are derivatives of phenols, serving as pigments in plant pots. They are present in 10 families. The position of Coctaceae was disputed for many years. On the basis of the presence of betalain, the position in Centrospermae is confirmed. The position in Centrospermae is confirmed. The next fourth one is alkaloids. Alkaloids are nitrogen containing compounds with a heterocyclic rings. These are the nitrogen containing compounds called alkaloids. These are present in plants. There are about 5,000 alkaloids present in angiosperms. There are about 5,000 alkaloids present in angiosperms. They are used as a source for plant classification. They are used as a source for plant classification. Example, isoquinoline in Papaver family, lupin in Fabaceae family, tropane in Solanaceae family. These are the nitrogen compounds called alkaloids. Alkaloids present in Papaver family as a isoquinoline, in Fabaceae family as a lupin, in Solanaceae family as a tropane. And the next one, terpenoids and steroids. Terpenoids and steroids. The terpenoids are unsaturated hydrocarbons derived from isoprenes. Terpenoids are unsaturated hydrocarbons derived from isoprenes. Example, carotenoids, iridoids. Steroids are saturated hydrocarbons with 4 rings in their structure. Steroids are saturated hydrocarbons with 4 rings in their structure. Example, the tribe Genestiae of Fabaceae, of Asteraceae, petal carotenoids. Petal carotenoids, the tribe of Genestiae, of Fabaceae, and of Asteraceae. Here it is, terpenoids are unsaturated hydrocarbons and steroids are saturated hydrocarbons. And the next one, crystals. Some plants have rapid crystals in different parts of plant body, in different parts of their plant body. The forms of crystals are used to some extent in the classification of plants. Example, presence and absence of rapides are used in the grouping of plants in the family of Rubiaceae. Calcium oxalate crystals are present in the ovary walls of the member of Asteraceae. These are the crystal types present in plant pods. The next one, immunological reactions. The storage of proteins. The storage protein or pollen protein is injected from the plant body to a test animal, usually mouse or rabbit. The test animal produced anti-serum against the protein. The anti-serum is mixed with the plant extract to detect the precipitate formed by antigen-antibody reaction. Antigen-antibody reaction. So here it is, the nature and amount of precipitate. The nature and amount of precipitate indicate the relationship of the protein to the plant. High rate of precipitation indicates closeness of the plants. Low precipitation shows that the two plants are not related. Low precipitation shows that the two plants are not related. This type of study is also known as serotaxonomy. Serotaxonomy. So here it is, the nature and amount of precipitate indicates the relationship of the protein to the plants. So these are the taxonomical classification based on the presence of chemicals, called chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy.